guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to do this recipe today. This is one of my favorite things to cook, and by popular demand I have decided to show a step-by-step on how to make it. It's going to be Efo Riro. We need the Efo, the star ingredients. You can use your spinach or kale. We need the grounded crayfish. We also need dried shrimp. We need ugwu, also known as locust beans. We need stockfish, onion. We need the meat, which is beef, shaki, and momo. We need palm oil. We need dried fish. We need pepper. Notice that I do not have tomatoes in my mixture here. I do not use tomatoes to make my Efo Riro. So let's get cooking. I am super excited to make this. So first we wash our meat and put it in a pot, and then we season. You can season it however you like. This is me adding the bullion powder, which is also known as Maggi, nor. You add your sliced onions. You can add as much as you like. Salt to taste. And also onion powder. I pretty much put onion powder in everything I cook, as you can tell from my previous video. And once you put that in, you let it cook. Once the meat is soft, then we can start making the Efo. Now what you do is you chop the peppers. I do not use blender, so I don't have to add water. I use my food processor, so no water added at all. You just chop it. So you put your clean dry pot on the stove and then let it heat up a little bit. Once the pot is a little bit warm, then you can add your palm oil. The key here is to add more than usual palm oil, because we're not going to use water to cook the Efo, so we need the juice from the palm oil. And this brings us to the end of the video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment down below. And please try it. This is the end product of the Efo Riro. It tastes really good. If you try it and you like it, please let me know. I do have another type or another way of making the Efo Riro, and I will upload the video for that as soon as well. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like this video, share this video, and also if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Till next time, stay blessed.